Depending on what type of subscription you or your organization have, you may be able to install a desktop version of your Office apps. In other words, you could download and install Microsoft Word to your desktop as well as accessing it online. This would give you offline access to the apps, which is useful when traveling or away from an internet connection. These desktop apps are often referred to as thick apps. So how do we download thick apps? Well, I'm going to go to my Explore All Your Apps section. And right here, just before my listing of all my apps, I have an option to install Office apps. And this downward arrow is indicating that it would include downloading Outlook, OneDrive for Business, Word, etc. to my desktop. So once I select it, I have a download window that displays, and it's asking me what I want to do with this download. Should I run it, save it, or cancel? And I'm going to select Run. So now a user control window has displayed. It's just verifying that I want to allow this app to make changes to my desktop, and I can say yes. Okay, so if you can see here, this icon is slowly becoming green, and as it's going to download, we'll see the progress on this bar. And it also tells me a number of apps that's going to be installed onto my computer. Okay, so I have just gotten a notification from my own computer saying that it's installed, and the window has changed and told me that I'm all set, Office is now installed. So it tells me to click Start to view my apps. Okay, so by referring to Start, they're talking about my desktop Start button, which is this Windows icon here. And at the top here, you can see recently added. So they've recently added Excel, Access, and Skype. I can expand this. And now here are all of the apps that are available in my subscription that I have just downloaded. So let's open Word. Okay, so I've been given a terms of use window. They want me to accept the Microsoft Office license agreement, which I can read here, and then I can start Word. So now it's telling me that I can sign in to get the most out of Office right here. So I'm going to put my email address. So it's the same email that I have associated with my Office 365 account. And it's just asking me if I want to use this account everywhere on my device. So I'm going to select